Hello family, welcome to Banana TV. My name is Monica. I'm so excited that you're here. Let's make a 3-bean salad. So we're going to start off by cutting the ends of our green beans, wash them, and then steam them for 6 minutes. I am just making sure that I cut off all the ends before steaming our vegetables. Steam for 6 minutes and then set aside when you're done. This jalapeno is from my garden. I'm so excited to use it. I'm only gonna use half because I don't want this to be too spicy. So hey fam, so remember that the chili is optional, but I would recommend that you use it because it adds a very nice flavor to the dish. So to make this lovely dish of ours, I used the drained butter beans, I used baked beans, I didn't drain those, and then I used the red kidney beans, you have to drain those, and then the green beans. Additionally, we used 1 onion chopped, baby marrows, and the bell peppers, as well as the chili. This salad is so tasty and delicious. You can literally have it as a side dish to so many things. People in South Africa love using it for Sunday course dishes, special occasions, but you can just serve it with your pap and steak or rice with your stew, so many things. I love how versatile it is and it's so nutritional. Saute your vegetables nicely for about 4 minutes until they're nice and soft. And then for spices, I used 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of 6-gun or all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon of mild curry, and 1 tablespoon of Italian herbs. So fam, please remember to remove the water from the butter beans and the red kidney beans before adding them to your pot. Once everything is nicely mixed, we're going to add our butter beans, red kidney beans, and the baked beans. We are also going to add our green beans, and please remember that you don't have to use the whole can. You can just use half of it. It depends how many people you are cooking for, because this can serve up to 25 people. So mix well for about 1 minute because we don't want this to overcook. Once we are done with that, I'm going to add a pinch of salt and pepper. I'm using black pepper, and then I'm going in with my Nando's Prego sauce. You can also use mild because it's very tasty as well. And then I'm also gonna add chutney, and then lastly I'm gonna add sweet chili. Mix well and then remove from the heat. This salad slaps very hard. Like, it's so tasty, nutritional, it's not dry. I really love it. You're gonna enjoy it too fam. There you go family, we are done making our 3-bean salad. It is so tasty, juicy, all things yumminess. Please do enjoy with your family, and bye. This is how I served it. I served with dombolo and hard body chicken. Bye my fam.